Right guys, hi, this is Chris, and in today's video we will talk about buffer sites, what they are, and basically how you would use them to power up your money site, and that will be in today's video. Let's get into it. So, like I said before, we will be discussing buffer sites. Basically, what are they and what are they used for? So here I'm going to draw out a very simple explanation, and then we will take it from there. So, you will have your money site. That is the M here, the money site. Okay? Now you will have your tier 1, this could be tiered linking, or your buffer sites, because you never generally want to blast links to your money site. So what would be used for your buffer sites would be 1, social sites, okay, and that will point to your money site, okay. Then you will have your web 2s, right? Those would be buffers, okay? And then you would have your high, right? Your high PR, page rank, websites, your powerful links that you would then also power up as well. These are what you would use as your buffer sites. There is also something called social site buffering. If you're not familiar with social site buffering, I will make a quick video regarding social site buffering, but this is what you would use to buffer your links. You're going to use your social accounts, which is this. You're going to use your web 2.0s, which is this. And then you're also going to direct your high PR links. You're going to send links to those. Now, you can generate links in a number of different ways. However, some of the more popular ways to generate links would be, and let's just go ahead and talk about that real quick. So how would you go about sending links to these properties? Well, there's a number of different ways. If you're going to use automated link building, use something along the lines of GSA, right? If you don't want to use GSA, there's also Money Robot. Or you could use, if you wanted to, SEO Autopilot. So you have SEO Autopilot, GSA, and Money Robot. And for you old school guys, we have X-Rumor, however you want to say it. There is also SE Nuke, right? Along with a few others. But that's going to wrap up today's videos. What we were talking about is your buffer sites. What are they? What you should use them for. But basically, I was just touching on what are they in your tiered link building. Hi, buddy. And that's it for today. Have a great one.